Welcome everyone, Team 7 on another adventure. And great day today. See that right there?
Say hi. Say hi to the camera.
Say hi. It's my daughter Dominique and my grandson Vincent. We're here at Disney's Hollywood Studios. And he loves Star Wars, so it's going to be a great day. Join us. Hey, I know you.
No, Kylo Ren. No.
Spray pop up? That's not nice. Huh? Silly goose.
Covered by the back. You excited?
Oh, wow. Look at that. Okay, we just met Chewie. Now we're headed to do a little meet and greet with Kylo Ren, my favorite villain of all the Star Wars. Well, I can't say that. I can't say that really because I got a place in my heart for Darth Maul. Darth Maul is pretty outstanding.
He was killed too early.
Yeah, he definitely gone too soon in the series. You hiding from Kylo Ren?
Yeah.
Huh? Are you hiding from him?
I took a quiz. It told me I can mind program. Yeah. I can resist your ways. Don't come to me. Right? Bring it all the way in. Okay. Just make sure you're all the way over.
Look, it's BB-8.
Alright, so you can please sitting car by that far door on the right and come say hi to BB-8.
Hi, BB-8.
Here's Jake. Okay, so we just left the launch bay, meeting all the Star Wars characters. Now we get in line to meet Jake and the Neverland Pirates. Okay, so we just had some lunch at Pizza Rizzo, headed to meet Star-Lord and crew again. And look who we met. Chip in jail, just walking around. Nothing's happening.
No, that. Look at it. You want to go? Yeah. We'll get ice cream.
Who are you going with?
Who are you going with? What's my name? What? I can't hear you. What?
You going with Kayla and Electra?
It's recording. Okay, I think it is. Okay, yeah.
Hi, camera.
Come on, let's go.
Okay, where are we gonna go?
Hi, camera. The funniest camera.
Okay, which one do you wanna go to?
Seatbelt fasten your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside your rocket and supervise your children. You have been
Okay. Okay.
Bienvenidos.
Con el cinturón de seguridad.
Hi, bienvenidos.
Manos y brazos.
You have to loosen it, Letra.
Cambio de sus cohetes y vigilen a sus
Okay, it's fine.
There we go.
Then you gotta tighten it.
Perfect.
Are you in?
Okay, are you guys ready?
Good? Yeah. Excited? I'm going.
Huh? It is. Because you guys are crazy. Huh? No, you're going crazy. Oh, we're going.
Oh my god!
Okay, let's hold on. Let's hold on.
And that also scared me. Hold around fast. Hey, look! Oh my god!
You liked it, Vincent?
That's scary. That's scary.
Watch your step and thank you for coming.
Over there.
Over here?
Over here. Over here. Over here. Oh, over there? Oh, there you go.
Over
Right
here.
there.
Over here. That was fun.
Vincent was like, I saw the exit. Just go.
Your attention.
Bye.
See you later. It's funny, she's from the Seattle, Washington.
Seattle,
She has the
Washington.
same complexion as Serena.
Thank you.
You want to record? Are you recording? You gotta hold it tight.
Hold it tight, baby. Hold it tight.
Vincent is getting all the sweet footage. She's getting some sweet footage.
Get here. Let me put it on your wrist. Put your hands right there. Yeah. And now we're gonna tighten it. Good? Good night.
Guess what happened, Daddy?
There you go.
There you go. You got it?
That's too tight.
Too tight, too tight?
No, just slide it up. You gotta slide it up. Slide it up on your wrist.
Okay, there we go.
There we go.
Hold it with this hand. Hold it with this hand. Why?
And now when the screen goes off, you just touch it.
Yeah, if the screen goes on, touch it. Let's go. Now record everything. It's actually cool. It's cool? It's kind of like the stand I have. Make sure you're looking at everything.
You're gonna grow up to be a vlogger? Are you gonna be a vlogger when you grow up?
Maybe. No, this is too hard for me. Too hard?
Okay, so as you can see, we have left Disney's Hollywood Studios. We're back at Disney Springs. Let's see how many people I can get to follow me today. Join me. Okay, so we just left my favorite store at Disney Springs, Pandora. Yay! all the women in my life got Pandora bracelets and charms, so it's like a tradition. I was informed if I spend $2 more in that store, I officially own it. So, who knows? Maybe next time you come down here, come look me up at Pandora. I'll be behind the counter selling charms. Off to the world of Disney. Okay, so we've made contributions to the world of Disney and the Lego store, and check this out. You know your boy don't like getting wet, so we're headed back to the car. We're gonna end this vlog here. He's done. Finish him. Okay, so you know what to do by now. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you would like to see more and also help support this channel, please subscribe. And if you want to be notified every time we upload another video, just hit the bell icon right next to the subscribe button. And until the next adventure, deuces.